Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We're going to talk about app engagement, how to get your employees and customers engaged. This is where we get your employees and customers on board with the app. Your employees must let your customers know about the app and show them how to download to their personal device and get their first loyalty stamp or welcome credit just for downloading. Chick-fil-A does a great job of engaging their customers by letting them know about promotions like getting a free small drink or a free gift of some sort. Maybe it's a box of chicken nuggets just for downloading the app. And they can often get a welcome credit right on the spot, right when their customers are ordering. So that's the time for your employees to engage with your customers. Make it a part of their job to promote the app. You can get creative by putting together recognition programs and reward programs to recognize the employees who do the best job promoting the app. Remember, push notifications are read 90% of the time. These notifications are sent out by your corporate office or by our staff, and they let your customers know about anything from promotions to area events, and they remind your customers to visit your establishment more often. Start building hype. This is a great opportunity to get people excited about your app. Promote it on social media, offer some sneak peeks, start looking for some alternative channels to promote your app, maybe find some social influencers. In a local market, you don't need to be the Kardashians tweeting about your app. You can find someone that has a similar audience to yours. Maybe it's your staff, or it's a gym. It perhaps has a personal trainer with a lot of followers. Start posting flyers and hype it up. Start by planning a launch event. Make this a big deal because it is. Get creative. There are a lot of ways you can promote the app on a small budget. You can use flyers to hand out to customers, table tents if you have seating available, or banners and posters with a QR code so that customers can easily scan and download the app right to their personal device. This is a good time to start using your promotional items. Decide on your messaging and make a compelling offer and get your flyers handed out both at your location and around town. You can add the app icon and link to your company website to make it easy for customers to download the app, especially important for mobile users. Think about adding it to your menus and business cards as well. Plan a launch event and get creative. Have extra staff on hand to help promote and show customers how to use the app, and have employees explain app features like mobile ordering or your loyalty program. You could create a VIP event and allow only people that downloaded the app to attend. Give out free samples and just have fun with it. Word of mouth will spread and get you more downloads and more new customers to try you out. Don't forget to promote through Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Hold staff training sessions on a regular basis, especially when you have new hires. Explain the benefits to your customers, like being notified of new menu items, promotions, or specials. Train your employees to ask your customers if they know about the app or your loyalty program each time a new customer visits. Train your employees on how to download the app for your customers and get them using it right away, like redeeming the welcome credit today. Come up with new incentives, use email, social media, and send out those push notifications. Let whoever is managing the notifications know about your weekly events or specials on a regular basis. Give your customers a reason to engage the app. If your staff doesn't tell your customers about the benefits of downloading the app, you won't get as many customers engaged. It's true, many will find the app either on your website, or they'll notice it on the banner and download the app, perhaps from seeing it on social media, or when someone checks in at your location. Perhaps you have a table tent, but nothing beats employee engagement. Let them know about your welcome credit and loyalty program and how they can earn points to unlock special deals and free stuff. We offer customized campaigns and can help you engage with your customers, and our plans are affordable, so don't forget to ask us about creating a custom campaign for your business. I want to thank you for taking the time. Feel free to call us if you have any questions and start growing your business today by fully embracing this unique and effective marketing tool.